Okay, I got invited to go on a backpacking trip with my buddy Jackson and his boys. And last year I bought this tent. Anyhow, I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I'll do a review of the tent over our trip. But let's see what we got in here. Can't find my tripod for my iPhone, so you can suffer through. All right, well, there's a QR code. That's that. Gray one, Lanshan 1, gray 1%. Yeah, like I said, it's been a while since I purchased this, so I've forgotten which one it was. Well, that is not bad for size and weight. Mier Lanshan 1, got it off Amazon. Okay. I'm assuming this is a dry bag. Hey, look, some directions. Okay. And there's our bag. Here's the tent. And that's nice and lightweight. Yeah, so I'll set it up here in the backyard and check it out. Always a good idea with a new tent before heading off into the woods. We'll be backpacking the high country up in the high Uintas in Utah. I also bought this carbon pole from 6 Moon Designs, and that's for use when I'm on my motorcycle. And then here is my hiking stick. It's just an REI hiker. Love this walking stick. So I'm going to set it up with a walking stick. Here we go. I got the GoPro going. So let's find a spot to set it up. Over here. Well, it's all a nice tight little package. Seems pretty roomy. That's it. It's a little slanted with the pole. I'll have to read and see if that's how it's supposed to be set up. But so far, it's pretty good. Let's see what it's like inside. Like I said, this is the first time I set it up, first time getting in it. So that looks right. That looks wrong. All right, well, I'll have to fiddle around with it a little bit, but that's it. That's the first setup in the backyard. Hopefully Doesn't have problems with condensation. It looks like there's pretty good space between the mesh and the rain fly. That's the only thing I read about this, is maybe some problems with condensation, but it's so light and small, I'm gonna give it a shot. So stay tuned for the review. I'll have that up in a week or two. And remember, make everything an adventure. That's my catchphrase.